Hey foodies, I'm back again with another one. Today I'm going to show you how I prepare this amazing individual Salara red cake or coconut roll. Let's get into it. Guys, let's start preparing our dough. Here I have some all-purpose flour. I'll be using some coconut milk, some melted butter. I have baking powder, salt, yeast, and some sugar. Now you want to combine your dry ingredients, the baking powder, salt, and the yeast. I am using fast rise yeast, so I do not need to proof it first. Then we'll combine the wet ingredients, the butter and the sugar to the milk. Give it a stir. Once it's well combined, you want to add it to the flour and you want to mix everything well until a super soft dough is formed. Once the dough is formed, I like to oil my hands and just go in and knead the dough a little bit until everything comes together perfectly. I like using oil so it don't change the texture of the dough. Once the dough comes together, we will cover it and allow it to rise and double in size for about an hour or however long it will take. While the dough is rising, let's prepare our filling. So here I have some freshly grated coconut. I'll be using brown and granulated sugar, red food coloring, cinnamon, nutmeg, allspice, ginger, and some vanilla extract. So basically you want to just combine everything. We will save the red food coloring for last. You just want to get in there and mix everything to combine. And once it's combined, you want to add your food coloring a little at a time until it reaches the color that you desire. So this is the color that I like. I will now cover and set aside. Now that the dough has doubled in size, we'll go ahead and just start assembling everything. So we'll remove the dough from the bowl. Just make sure you knead it around a bit to remove any air bubbles that might be there. We will flour our surface and you want to just roll this out into like a square shape. You can do it in any shape that you like actually. We'll roll it out into about a quarter of an inch thick or so. So at this point you want to add your coconut filling onto the dough and just spread it out evenly, and you want to leave the borders around the edges free, so that nothing gets in the way when you're about to roll it up. Next, you want to roll it up into a lock shape, like when you're making cinnamon rolls. That's basically what we're going for. Usually, once we roll it up, we would go ahead and allow it to rise as it is, and then we will bake it and cut it afterwards. But today I'm doing it a bit different. I am using a piece of dental floss to cut it before I bake it. So we'll have individual Salara or red cakes. So we'll continue with this process, and once we are done, we will allow this to rise again for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes of rising again, we will go ahead and elevate this recipe even further by adding some coconut milk. We will bake this in a 350-degree oven for about 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, this is what we have here. Perfection. You hear me? This was so good. I can't wait for y'all to try it. Now I glazed it with a sugar water glaze to make it look nice and presentable and even more yummy. But this here is it. This is a coconut lover's dream. If you love coconut, you would definitely enjoy this. Trust me, I waited 10 minutes and then I dig into it to show y'all, what we was working with, and it did not disappoint. It was everything, guys. It was so juicy, moist, flavorful, everything you would want in a Salara, coconut roll, red cake, whatever you want to call it. But this is it. See what I'm talking about? Look how moist it is. That coconut milk that I bake it in, it was so juicy, and the coconut was all the way through. Tell me your mouth isn't watering. So give this recipe a try for me and let me know what you guys think. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.